It's Miss Lee and I'm the cold stove girl. Wagwan, what's good, what's popping? So today we're gonna run about. We're gonna do like a saltfish rundown. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. Zane?
One eternity later.
Sometimes the cool and hard to catch you see. Jesus, please. But you have to have patience still, man, not lie. Alright, so before we start prepping, you know you have to wash everything. You have to wash your season them, you wash your utensils, you wash everything where you use. Yeah? You wash everything. Wash, wash, wash. Alright, so we boil the saltfish now to get out the excess salt out of it. I'm gonna get no coconut, so I use the powder, 2 packs of the powder. Sometimes my dumpling them not so cute. Them not come out so cute. So I have to take my time and make them, right? I don't want to chuck tie in the pot. I have to take my time and make it, you know, round up and look good. Look presentable. Alright, see her there? Not bad. Can go on. That can go on. Watch, run down in a pot of bubble. Yeah, man, I hate this, you know. I hate this. remember to subscribe, share, like, leave a comment now. Tell me what you think. Until next time, walk good.